Ever wondered how hunters drop serious accuracy without dropping serious cash? Today, I'm breaking down the top 4 best hunting crossbows under $200 that actually perform in the field. Welcome back to the channel. Stick with me for value, honest picks, and grab your favorite through the links below today. The number 4 product on our list is Isaazon Crossbow. Strength doesn't have to come from a premium price tag, and this crossbow proves it from the first pull. New shooters often struggle with bulky rigs, stiff cocking, and setups that feel intimidating, but this model replaces that frustration with simple, self-cocking action and steady comfort, tested for real-world ease. Its balanced draw weight gives solid bolt speed for learning proper technique, backyard practice, and light hunting. The fiberglass limb keeps shots calm and predictable instead of jumpy. Compared to heavier beginner rigs, this one feels more manageable, creating relief for shooters still mastering form. The pros are simple setup, forgiving draw weight, predictable shooting, and excellent beginner value. The cons are modest power for big game and plastic bolts that should be upgraded. We only recommend what's genuinely worth using, and this fits youth shooters and beginners wanting a stress-free start, not hunters requiring high-end speed. The third one on our list is the United Cutlery Crossbow. Finding real speed below $200 usually feels impossible, but this setup flips expectations quickly. Many budget buyers struggle to find a crossbow that feels stable, accurate, and ready without endless upgrades, yet this kit checks every box. Its adjustable stock gives a custom-fit feel that reduces fatigue, clearly tested for real-world comfort during long afternoons at the range. Bolt speeds feel confident enough for ethical hunting, while staying tame enough for newer shooters still building skill. Compared to simple entry-level rigs, accuracy stands out thanks to the included optic and sturdier frame, providing relief when lining up serious shots. The pros are full out-of-the-box readiness, adjustable ergonomics, consistent accuracy, and dependable bolt speed. The cons are added weight and a learning curve for true first-timers. We only recommend what earns trust, and this fits hunters wanting strong value, not ultralight gear seekers. On number 2 is the Southland Archery Supply Manticore Crossbow. Budget crossbows promise power, but few actually deliver field confidence. This one does. Many shooters worry about weak limbs or unsafe cocking systems at this price, but the solid aluminum barrel and built-in auto safety remove that tension instantly. The 150-pound draw launches bolts with authority, giving enough power for ethical hunting without overwhelming beginners. It feels tested for real-world comfort during longer practice days. Compared to lightweight entry rigs, the Manticore offers more consistent accuracy thanks to its balanced frame and included scope, outperforming some pricier competitors that focus only on speed. The pros are reliable power, safe cocking, solid accuracy, and a ready-to-hunt package. The cons are basic arrows and a louder shot than premium setups. We only recommend what truly matters outdoors, and this suits hunters wanting dependable value, not those chasing ultra-quiet performance. Now, moving to the last one is the Southland Archery Supply Prophecy Crossbow. Most people assume cheap crossbows lack real punch, but this compact design proves otherwise. Beginners often struggle with stiff draws, unstable frames, and overwhelming setups, yet this model gives a refreshing experience with easy cocking and surprisingly strong impact. The short power stroke creates fast follow-up shots, bringing confidence when accuracy matters. Its sturdy limb system holds up well through repeated use, clearly tested for real-world comfort. Compared to bulkier budget rigs, this one feels quicker to handle and less tiring during long sessions, though it doesn't match full-size hunting speeds. The pros are smooth handling, respectable power, simple setup, and strong accessory compatibility. The cons are limited range and lower draw weight for larger game. We only recommend what proves its value, and this suits small game hunters, beginners, and backyard shooters, not long-range trophy hunters. Among all, the winner is the United Cutlery Crossbow, because it delivers solid power, stable accuracy, durable construction, and comfortable handling, giving beginners and budget-focused hunters reliable performance without overspending. So guys, this was the video about the top 4 best hunting crossbows under $200. All the links are in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.